Let's go to the next question. It looks fun. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 150. Find the number of sides of this polygon. This is a nice question. I like it. You can do n minus 2 times 180. Oh gosh, that's a lot. But it will give you the correct answer if you want to do that. Follow me to do it the easiest way. Whenever they give you the interior angle and they ask you to find the number of sides, think of the exterior angle. The exterior angle is equal to 180 minus the interior, which is 150. So 180 minus 150 is 30, isn't it? And then, once you got the exterior angle, the number of sides, n, is equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle. How easy. Now just do 360 divided by 30. It's non-calculator, so don't think of using it. Cross these zeros. It's gone. Now just do 36 divided by 3. It's 12. This nice polygon has 12 sides. We finished this question with no calculator, the easiest way possible. If you do n minus